Hi Year 6, we're going to talk through yesterday's homework questions now. So I'm going to talk through the answers to page 34, fraction subtraction, questions 7 till 12. So I hope that you got on okay with this. Again, we've got some denominators the same, some that we'll have to change. We've got some mixed numbers thrown in this time. So let me talk you through the answers. Number 7, we've got the same denominator. So that's a good thing, but we've got one mixed number. We need to convert our mixed number into an improper fraction before we can do anything else. So I have got one whole. In that one whole, there would be 7 sevenths, and that extra 3, that's 10 sevenths. So 10 sevenths, take away 5 sevenths. That's nice and easy. So our answer is 5 sevenths. Number 8, we've got different denominators and mixed numbers. So first job, make them improper fractions. Second job, find a common denominator. So 2 wholes, that would be 2 lots of 15, 30 and the extra 4, 34 over 15, first of all. Then 1 and 2/5 into an improper fraction, there'll be 5 in the whole and the extra 2, so there'll be 7. I can't just take away because they're not the same denominator. Looking at 15 and 5, I can see that I could turn them both to 15. So 34 over 15 stays exactly the same, and 7 over 5 needs to be changed. I ask myself, 5 times what equals 15? 5 times 3. So if I'm timesing by 3 there, I have to do the same to my numerator. 7 times 3 is 21. So I'm left with 34, take away 21. And the answer then, 13 15ths. Now, that can't be simplified, so that's going to be my final answer, 13 15ths. Okay, number 9. Again, we've got mixed numbers, so first job, improper fractions, second job, common denominator. So my 3 wholes, 3 lots of 6, that's 18, and the spare 5, that's 23 over 6. For my first fraction. Then my second one, I've got 4 in the whole and 3 extra, 7 over 4. Now I've got to find a common denominator. I can't use 6 or 4, but I'm going to do my 4 times table and my 6 times table, and the number that's going to come up first is 12. So I'm going to use 12 as my common denominator. Then I'm going to convert each one. So 6 times 2 is 12, so I have to times the numerator by 2 as well. 23 times 2 is 46. Now with this one, 4 times what is 12? 4 times 3. So I have to times 7 by 3, and 7 times 3 is 21. Now I can just take away. 46 take away 21 is 25 over 12. Now, if you've got 25 over 12, that's absolutely the right answer. You can also put that back into a mixed number. So if you put it back into a mixed number, you would have got, I have to think how many wholes are here. So 12 is 1 whole, 24 is 2 wholes. So I would have 2 wholes and 1 12th. So either answer is right. Okay, number 10. 7 ninths and 2 11ths. No mixed numbers, but they are not they're not the same denominator, so I've got to find a common one. Can't use 9 or 11, so I'm going to go in my times tables. Again, I'm going to find that 99 is the best one, and that is 9 times 11. So let's convert each one into a fraction over 99. So to go from 9 to 99, I'm timesing 11. So I have to times the 7 by 11, 77. Here, I'm going to do 11 times what is 99? 9. So I have to do 2 times 9, 18. And then I'm doing 77, take away 18. Do that in my head quickly. Take away 20 and then add the 2 on. So 59 over 99. Okay, number 11. 4/5 and 12/15. Again, we've got no mixed numbers, but we have got two different denominators. Looking at them both, we can use one of them. We can use 15 because 5 goes into 15. So if we make the denominators both 15, 12/15 can just be carried on down and we'll convert 4/15. So I ask myself, 5 times what is 15? 3. So then 4 times 3 is 12. Oh, so I've got 12/15. Take away 12/15. If I take them all away, I'm going to have 0. So that's my answer, 0 for that one. And then last question, 3 and a 6th, take away 2 and 2/7. So again, we've got mixed numbers. So first, improper fraction. Second, find a common denominator. So 3 wholes, 3 lots of 6 would be 18, and the 1 extra would be 19 over 6. And then for my next one, I've got 2 wholes, 2 lots of 7 is 14, and 2 spare is 16, 16 over 7. Now I've got to find a common denominator, so a number that's in both the 6 and the 7 times table. I'm going to go straight for 42. Okay, so 6 times what is 42? 6 times 7. So I'm going to have to times 19 by 7. Now I'm going to do it here just to check I don't make a mistake in my head. So 19 times 7 is 63. 133, okay. And then for my other one, I'm going to look at what do I times 7 by to get 42? I times it by 6, so I have to do 16 times 6. Again, I'm going to do a little jotting and work that out because I could easily make a mistake if I did that in my head. 6 times 6 is 36. 1 times 6, 9. Right, 96. So 133. Take away 96. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 100 would be 33 and then add the 4 back on because I only want to take 96. So 37, oops, and I have to put 42 underneath. Okay, and now 37 is a prime number, so I can't simplify that. So that's my final answer. Okay, and I just realised that I didn't put my final answer up here as well, but again, 59 is a prime number, so that one can't be simplified. So there you go, there are your answers. I hope that you did okay with all of those. If not, remember you can jump onto the help session at 12:10 with your teacher at any time. For tomorrow, I'd like you to just continue on the fractions. So we're practicing everything that we learnt last week. Do me 1 to 6 of the fraction multiplication. If you're really stuck and struggling, go back and find the multiplication lesson on YouTube. Thank you.